Good day everyone. Today I will be giving a sample problem about dehumidifying. So the problem is a cooling and dehumidification process occurs in an air conditioning system. Moist air enters the system at 30 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature and 60% relative humidity, and is cooled down to 15 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature. But using psychrometric chart, determine the specific humidity 1, specific humidity 2, and its mass flow rate of water with a mass flow rate of dry air of 3 kg per second. So our given is the dry bulb temperature 1 is equivalent to 30 degrees Celsius. Our dry bulb temperature 2 is equivalent to 15 degrees Celsius, and our relative humidity is equivalent to 60%. Lastly, our mass flow rate of our dry air is 3 kg per second. So in our solution, by using psychrometric chart, by plotting the 30 degrees Celsius and 60% relative humidity, we can get the specific humidity of 0.018. And by plotting the 15 degrees Celsius dry bulb temperature and 60% relative humidity, we can get the specific humidity of 0.010. So next, we will now getting the mass flow rate of the water. So here's our formula. Mass flow rate of water is equivalent to mass flow rate of dry air multiplied by the difference of specific humidity 1 and specific humidity 2. So by substituting, our mass flow rate of air is 3 kg per second, and our specific humidity 1 is 0.018 minus the specific humidity 2 of 0.010. So by using calculator, we can now get our mass flow rate of our water value 0.024 kg per second.